Hey everyone! Welcome back to my mini pond update video. A few days ago I created this small pond with natural sand, stones, and a few guppies. Today I'm making it even more exciting because I've added some new fish. I brought a few more guppy pairs, and along with them I added some budget-friendly colorful fish that are easily available in local fish shops. This time I bought 3 pairs of guppies, and each guppy pair cost me only 50 Indian rupees. I also bought 2 pairs of zebra fish for just 40 Indian rupees. So the total amount I spent on all these new fish is only 230 Indian rupees. Honestly, I feel this is a very budget-friendly pond upgrade. For such a small amount, the pond already looks much more colorful and active. That's the best part of keeping guppies and small community fish. You can create a beautiful mini pond without spending a lot of money. Just look at the pond now. The guppies are already exploring every corner, swimming around the stones, and making the pond look much more lively. The zebra fish are moving quickly in groups, and their stripes look really attractive in the water. I wanted to see how this tiny pond would look with more movement and more colors. Just look at the pond now. The guppies are already exploring every corner, swimming around the stones, and making the pond look much more lively. The new fish are slowly getting comfortable in their new home. What I really love is that this entire pond setup is very low cost, but it still gives a beautiful natural aquarium look. The sea sand, stones, plants, and fish together create a peaceful mini ecosystem. I'm also going to observe how the guppies adapt, whether they start breeding again, and how all the fish behave together in this small pond. If everything goes well, this pond may become even more colorful in the coming weeks. Tell me in the comments which fish you like the most in this pond. Should I add more plants, more guppies, or another colorful fish in the next update? If you enjoy mini pond videos, fish keeping, and low-budget aquarium ideas, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next pond update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.